everyone, my name is Shine. Today I am checking out Pentagon's comeback with Naughty Boy. Obviously there have been a few happenings since this came out. I am recording this currently on September 18th, so I have no idea when this will come out. I'm just playing it safe for now, so I'm going to be cautionarily talking about a few things. But all in all, I've just said what I wanted to say on Twitter, so yeah. But for now, this is Pentagon. I'll just, chat here, just talk a little bit after this. So without further ado, this is Pentagon with Naughty Boy. Oh snap. I accidentally clicked play. This is Pentagon with Naughty Boy. Here we go. Also, I'm really confused because all I saw frogs is apparently a thing here. Ah! That's why there's frogs. What? That's why there's a frog. God, pardon my language, but what the fuck? I was like, okay. Okay, when I saw the teaser for this, okay, I'm gonna say this for now. I'm gonna be swearing just a bit because this is how my thoughts went. When I first saw the teaser, they had frogs and whatnot, and I'm just like, why the fuck are there frogs? Why the heck are there frogs? Now seeing this, I'm just like, okay. I thought I've seen it all. And clearly I have not. Oh my god, I am crying, dude. This is definitely reminiscent of Shine. I think if you see a few bit of references there, but it still has that more playful kind of vibe that that Shine had. And oh, and I thought I've seen like the most crazy like MVs already, but dude, well, not crazy, but just like really hilarious kind of videos. I thought I've seen it all. Clearly I haven't. So Pentagon is back with another playful song. Obviously these guys are currently promoting with 8, namely because Yenan is currently sick at this point in time of me recording this. Hopefully he will get better and we will see him in the next comeback. And then obviously everybody is pretty much aware of Edon's situation. I have already said my piece on Twitter, so I'm not going to get into that. If you just want to see that, just go on my Twitter. The link is always in the description below for all my social media. But I do hope that we get to see Pentagon back as 10 soon. Because right now Cube is currently a mess. And you know, I'm just hoping for good news. Don't want to lose a 10-membered Pentagon. Again, I've said my piece on everything on Twitter. So I don't want to get into that. But yes, Pentagon has come back with another quirky song. One scene I really love is when they're in the car. First of all, how do they fit 7 in that car? Well, 4 in the back, 3 in the front, and then there's tall Woo-suk sitting in the, what is that, the trunk? In the trunk, because he won't be able to fit, like, I'm pretty sure, like, half his body would just take up, like, the car. Or he himself would take up the car. So I found that funny. And just this music video is just so playful, so funny. So I definitely have to go catch up now with a lot of the performances. I'm watching this approximately 8 days after it's been released. So I definitely have a lot to catch up on. I'm really excited to see how they performed it, you know, and all that. So I'm really excited. So yeah, all in all, simply put, dude, this is one very quirky song. I was really curious as to why they were frogs. My question was answered. And I understand now why they're frogs. The song is very funny, very, like, it's like definitely reminiscent of Shine. It has that playful kind of vibe to it, and it's really fun to see that. As the ending was especially funny, it was just them having their own camera and just them yelling / singing the song. So it's good to see another playful Pentagon, and hopefully we get to see them as 10 soon. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.